This is the Genie GITR-3 3-button garage door remote. It can control up to 3 compatible Genie garage door openers and uses a replaceable 12-volt battery. For easier access to the battery compartment, begin by removing the metal visor clip from the back of the remote. Next, locate the battery cover and slide it away from the remote to open the compartment. You can use the edge of the visor clip to carefully lift and pull the old battery out. Before installing the replacement, look at the polarity diagram printed inside the battery compartment. Find the positive and negative symbols and make sure the new battery is positioned in the correct direction. Slide the new battery firmly into place, making sure it sits securely against the contacts. Align the battery cover with the remote and slide it back into its closed position. Reinstall the visor clip on the back of the remote. Finally, press one of the buttons to test the remote. The red indicator light should illuminate when the button is pressed. That's it! The battery replacement is complete.